The Ninja MC1101 Foodi Cooker Pro stands out as a true all-in-one workhorse, handling everyday meals with the ease of a slow cooker, rice cooker, and stovetop pan in a single compact unit. Its generous 6½ quart pot comfortably handles family-sized portions, whether you are simmering a roast, cooking rice, or throwing together a full one-pot dinner. The range of cooking modes, from gentle slow cook to high-heat sear and sauté, makes it surprisingly versatile for everything from stews and braises to quick weeknight pasta dishes. Because it cooks faster than many traditional methods and lets you combine mains and grains in one vessel, it is excellent for meal prep and busy households that want hearty food without hovering over the stove. The oven-safe pot and clear lid make it easy to finish dishes with a brown top and then carry the same pot straight to the table using the cool touch handles. Cleanup is refreshingly simple thanks to the nonstick cooking pot, dishwasher-safe parts, and a footprint that does not overwhelm the countertop.